What does that look all about, Sammy? What does that look all about? Hmm? Okay, I'll turn the light out. Good night. All right, what's my favorite for breakfast? Fried eggs. That too. But fried potatoes, beef, chorizo. Be sure you drain it. Look at all that grease. And then I cooked the eggs. All right, there's the chorizo and eggs. Warming up my flour tortilla. Got the potatoes. Yeah. Beautiful flutterby. Yes, I'm gonna take a rest. Everybody's getting snow and we've got butterflies. Our hearts are with everyone that's dealing with this snowmageddon. That's right. Where are you going with that rug?
I'm making a fort.
A fort?
A fort.
All right, let's do it. This is gonna be her riding nook.
Yeah. So blessed to be able to do this.
It's so nice out and no wind for today and tomorrow. So we're gonna go set up camp.
Yeah, and the rest of the country is just getting blasted.
Yeah.
My friend Sandy, Jam Band, Vicky, my family, everybody. Letty.
So the grass is still green out here.
Yeah, I may not want to put this rug down off because I'll be on grass.
She might not want to put the rug down because she might like the grass.
Well, it's not just that. I don't want to kill the grass.
Well, that's true. So here's her shade cloth. So we're going to put it up right here. So when the sun is over there, she'll have shade. Here's Deborah's living room.
And I just love it so much.
It's got a rug out and the dog beds, Finn's at length so he won't get tangled up. Well, Sammy and I came to see how it's working.
Yeah,
how's her office going?
Sammy's inspecting everything because she wasn't out here when we did it.
I know.
She was sleeping.
She was sleeping. You want to stay, Sammy, or you want to go back home?
She says, I don't know. She said, I just need to make sure I approve.
Okay. Tonight for dinner, this is my third take trying to say this. We're having frozen fried chicken nuggets with gravy, salads with avocado, cheese, croutons, ranch dressing. I've got some fresh jalapenos cut up here and making another batch in the air fryer. Off-grid air fryer right there.
I traveled with a worm farm in Phoenix in my RV for a little while.
ATVs are out tonight.
How many of you remember my worm farm?
So again, this morning we're having the leftover chorizo. I made gravy last night for a chicken, so I'm gonna warm that up. And potatoes again. Trying to use up my potatoes. They're starting to get knobby. So cooking some more potatoes this morning. Might have to make a campfire soon, make some baked potatoes. That'd be good. Good morning. It is 7:45 this morning. Yeah, I haven't done anything with my hair. Hadn't got really ready for the day. I'm going into town early this morning. Still during today I think is the last day of the big tent and the last day of the Celarama. So after today, it should start clearing out some. But it's gonna be crowded again today, so I'm gonna go in early and get a parking spot. And Deborah's staying home today. Need a little R&R. I'm gonna do a little R&R after I park. I need to work on a few things. I need to work on a couple of videos. Try to do a meal plan. We'll see if that happens. Of course, you'll see the meal plan probably before you see this, if it happens. So, meal planning Monday. Today is Sunday. And the Crusader Long Band plays today. So, I'm going to go into town and hang out this morning because it's cold. Hang out this morning until this afternoon when they go on stage. Yeah, so anyway, it's a cool one this morning. My truck says 43. I should be in bed. What do you think, Sammy? She says, yeah, we should be in bed. Yeah. You can go with me today, huh? Yeah, we went to town yesterday. Had to do laundry. And you stayed home, didn't you? Yeah. You can go with me today, though. Yeah. So I'm going to be with you all morning. I'll be with you all morning. I've not ever eaten here, but I'm just going to get the mac and cheese wedges. Alright. There's some macaroni. What are they? Wedges. Macaroni and cheese wedges with the special sauce. What do you think?
Special sauce is good.
Is it? Say hi.
Hello. You guys want a bite? Look.
Hot.
That's hot.
Alright, back at the RV show. Just looking, not buying. Just looking at it. Ooh. Holy cow.
Oh wow, we got a step up bedroom. Wow.
So this is a toy hauler back here. Oh, it's got a bathroom back here. Ooh. This is huge. Look at the little puppy dog bowls. Built-in puppy dog bowls. There's a Murphy bed on this, or not a Murphy, it comes down. Don't know the definition of a Murphy bed. Everything built around the TV.
Hey.
Like that refrigerator.
Oh, I kind of like your couch.
God.
Recliners.
Freezer.
You want to look?
Dang, that is bigger than my house freezer was.
Really? Think about this. I might could lay in there.
The price is on the floor. $155, $723. The MSRP is $194,000.
You have a fireplace?
So weird. They to me that just looks so cheap.
Uh-oh, are they plastic?
No, but they're just. You think it would have been a little bit more.
Plastic type deal.
The bedroom. Washer and dryer prepped.
Sunken shower.
Sunken shower.
Yeah, look.
One of them had a.
That's nice.
Yeah.
And with the seat.
One of them had a bathtub in it.
I care less about a bathtub, but I like the showers. These are nice. Washer dryer prepared already.
Oh, look at that.
Right there.
And you can have it for $200,000. Ow, dollars.
We're going to start you off with number one song by Miss Ella Langley called Choose a Texas.
Oh, yeah.
Texas.
That's my new favorite song.
And that's just what they do. One of these days, these things are gonna walk all over you. That's right, ladies.
All right, we're leaving Beer Bellies.
We are.
Why?
Because I'm mad.
You
Oh,
are not.
no, we're going to get a corn dog. The best corn dog in Quartzsite.
I like corn dog in Quartzsite.
That's right.
But it is the world's best.
And when they leave, there won't be any there won't be any best corn dogs left in this town.
That's right. So,
But follow them on Facebook, and I think they're on Facebook and Twitter and stuff. Follow them around, guys. If they come to your town, do not miss their corn dogs.
I know. So I think maybe today might be the last day for their corn dogs.
I'm thinking so too.
All right, let's go do it.
We're gonna go do it.
I don't know, but it's been said. Cindy's face is turning red. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Oh, did you get a new dog bed? Oh, how sweet. Laying on the solar panels.
He says it's so warm.
Good morning. Yeah, I got the fire roaring this morning. It's about 40 degrees out, so I need it for heat first off before I cook breakfast. Yeah, that's a nice fire. I might even have to scoot back a little bit.
Yeah.
Deborah's doing a live stream right now, so she's gonna be talking while I'm doing this video. I might just put music with it.
We'll be quiet when she's filming.
Yeah. Seasoning container.
Yeah. Surf and Dodo, come on out.
You can talk because I'll probably just put music with it.
Okay, so